Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case unpackaging, the Frontech E Cam FR2251. As you can see, this is a webcam and we can see it through this molded plastic packaging. We also have the Frontech E Cam branding. The exact model number is right up there. And on the bottom, we have a couple of the salient features. The salient features include USB plug and play functionality, a CMOS sensor, built-in microphone, and LED light. On the back of the package, we have some more technical specifications, so let's go through that. The image sensor is a color CMOS image sensor. The maximum resolution it can shoot at is 640 by 480. It has a video format of 24-bit RGB. The interface type is USB. When it shoots at a resolution of 320 by 240, it can shoot at a frame rate of 30 frames per second. And when it shoots at 640 by 480, it can shoot at a frame rate of 15 frames per second. The sensor size is 4.38 by 3.64 mm. It has a sound to noise ratio of 48 decibels. Dynamic range is 3 centimeters to infinity. It has a built-in image compression. It also has automatic white balance and automatic color compensation, and it can do dynamic images for email. You also have the option to manually focus. Right here we have an image of the product in its entirety. Underneath we have some importing and manufacturing information, and right at the bottom we have the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the package, all we get is the webcam itself. On the front, we can see the 6 LED lights right around the lens module, and there are also the terms 10x digital zoom, megapixel, and f3.85 mm around the lens module. The lens module itself rotates, and this is for the manual focusing function. Around the LED lights, we see a silver highlight, which is also on the top. Apart from that, everywhere else on the camera, it is a matte black finish. On the base, we can see the branding Frontech. The clasping mechanism on the base is pretty simple and straightforward, and there are some soft touch surfaces on the bottom so that things that you attach the camera to won't get scratched up. There is also a lot of rotation in the camera, so it can be adjusted in a plethora of ways. The cable has a USB Type A interface, and we will measure it out for you. It is approximately 50 inches long. So this was the unboxing of the Frontech E Cam FR2251 webcam. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.